A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Examine the environment around you and observe 5 details that may have not previously caught your eye. Challenge yourself to take a deeper look at things typically overlooked, such as the subtle shapes or patterns in nature, or minor imperfections in man-made surfaces, like a crack in the floor. Broaden your scope of perception and explore what lies beneath what is visible on the surface. Bring your attention to the various sensations you are feeling in this very moment, like the fabric of your pants, a gentle breeze on your skin, or the texture of whatever surface is beneath your hands. Identify 4 physical feelings that bring comfort and relaxation right now. Listen intently and try to pick up the faintest of noises. It could be a chirping bird, or perhaps even the hushed whisper of your refrigerator humming. Pay attention also to any distant traffic street noise that may reverberate softly through your environment. Notice 3 distinct sounds you can hear around you right now. Sharpen your senses and pay attention to the scents you may tend to ignore, no matter if they're inviting or unpleasant. Perhaps you can sense the fragrance of flowers in the air if you are outdoors, or the coffee aroma from your kitchen. Open yourself up to these smells and be aware of their presence. Take a moment to seek out the flavors that surround you, whether it's tea, chocolate, or something else. Pay attention to each flavor and savor its distinct taste. You can sip on your favorite drink or taste a snack. If nothing is available right now, open your senses and search for a taste in the air. Finally, focus your attention on any thoughts that may surface from within. Acknowledge whatever emotion is present and accept it with an open mind. Take a deep breath and appreciate this present moment.